Hello, readers. Today you are listening to a fluency video so you can understand your task this morning. Today is Wednesday. If you have not clicked join here and joined our Google Classroom, please do that first. The lesson that you are going to complete today is a fluency check. It will take you to Google Classroom where I have linked your mid-unit assessment. This connects with the lesson that you completed yesterday and entered your answers into Canvas. This mid-unit assessment is testing your ability to read like talking. You will get several opportunities to listen to and read this passage. As you log into your fluency tutor, you will see your screen will look very similar to mine. You are going to press the play button, and as you press play, the words the computer is reading to you will turn yellow. The word that is blue is the word that the computer is currently reading to you. You are going to read along voices in a whisper or a soft voice reading with the computer, making sure you are reading accurately with correct pausing at the ends of sentences where you see periods or question marks or exclamation points, making sure you're scooping the words and into phrases that sound like talking. Once you have listened to the text 2 or 3 times, practicing reading with the computer, you will then press record. When you press record, the computer will start recording your voice as you read. Now, as you see, my voice is making this go up and down. That means the computer can hear me. Everything I'm saying is being recorded. After I have read this passage and recorded it, I'm going to click Stop Recording. I'm going to click Playback Recording to listen to my reading and make sure it is my best reading. Once you have recorded your best reading, you are going to click I'm finished. That is going to send me a recording of your reading. If you do not like the reading that you have completed, you can click Start Recording, and you may record yourself as many times until you are satisfied with your reading. It's really important before you start recording for you to rehearse and practice reading correctly. You can go back to the reading and click the play button to listen to the text read to you, reading with the computer voices on.